Have you ever wondered what the next big thing in crypto could be? Welcome to the riveting world of cryptocurrencies, a universe where technology and finance intertwine to create an entirely new economic landscape. A realm where blockchain technology is king, and cryptocurrencies are the bustling citizens, each with its unique features and value proposition. This world is like a vast ocean, teeming with potential, yet fraught with unpredictability. It's a marketplace that never sleeps, where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. New projects rise and fall, each vying for a spot under the crypto sun. Some vanish as quickly as they appear, while others stand the test of time and evolve into substantial players in the digital economy. In this exhilarating, sometimes bewildering landscape, we're always on the lookout for the next big thing. The next breakout star that could revolutionize the crypto world. In the vast realm of crypto, it's always exciting to anticipate the next game changer. Could Wojak be the one? You may or may not have heard of the name Wojak in the crypto scene recently. But what exactly is Wojak? Well, Wojak isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a symbol, a representation of the everyman investor in the volatile world of digital finance. Originated from a popular internet meme, Wojak has become an icon in the crypto universe. It's a character that investors relate to, a face that echoes the highs and lows, the triumphs and trials of the crypto game. It's the face the crypto community puts on when the market swings wildly, encapsulating the emotions of the ride. But Wojak is more than just a symbol. It's also a unique cryptocurrency project. Unlike many other digital currencies that are driven by complex algorithms and computational puzzles, Wojak stands out for its simplicity and transparency. It's a community-driven project where every decision is made democratically and every transaction is clear as day. No hidden fees, no opaque processes, just a straightforward system that values the community's input above all. This is what makes Wojak different. It's not just a token, it's a movement. It's the embodiment of the spirit of the crypto community, a testament to the power of collective decision-making and transparency in the digital finance world. Now that we know what Wojak is, let's delve into why it has the potential to be the next big thing in crypto. The potential of any cryptocurrency lies in its utility, community support, and innovative technology, and Wojak checks all these boxes. Wojak is not just another coin in the crypto market. Its utility is what sets it apart. As a decentralized finance token, Wojak allows users to take control of their finances without the need for an intermediary. It's a currency for the people, by the people, that enables seamless transactions across borders, but it doesn't stop there. With its smart contract capabilities, Wojak's utility extends beyond just a medium of exchange, paving the way for decentralized applications, or dApps, that can revolutionize industries. Now let's talk about community support. A strong community is the backbone of any successful cryptocurrency. Wojak, with its grassroots origin, has cultivated a devoted following. It's not just about hodling, it's about participating, contributing, and growing together. The Wojak community is more than investors. It's a movement driving the project forward and ensuring its sustainability. But what makes Wojak really stand out is its innovative technology. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Wojak leverages the power of smart contracts that automate transactions without the need for a middleman, making operations more efficient and secure. Moreover, Wojak plans on implementing a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, an eco-friendly alternative to the energy-consuming proof-of-work, demonstrating its commitment not just to its community, but to the world at large. Taking into account its utility, its driven community, and its cutting-edge technology, Wojak has the potential to deliver high returns. It's not just about the hype, it's about the substance behind it. Sure, the crypto market is volatile, but with a project as robust as Wojak, the potential for a 100-fold return is not just a pipe dream, it's a possibility. With such promising features and support, it's no wonder that Wojak is gaining attention and is poised for growth. So, are you ready to be a part of the Wojak revolution? As with any investment, there are risks involved, but with Wojak, the potential rewards may just outweigh them. Now let's talk about these risks and rewards to give you a better understanding of what you're diving into. Firstly, the inherent volatility of the crypto market is a risk that cannot be overlooked. Prices can rise and fall dramatically in short periods, and Wojak, like any other cryptocurrency, is not immune to this. there's also the risk of potential regulatory changes. As governments around the world grapple with how to treat cryptocurrencies, sudden policy shifts could impact the value of Wojak. On the flip side, the rewards can be truly exciting. Wojak's innovative technology and its potential to revolutionize how we conduct transactions and handle data make it a promising investment. Its decentralized nature gives it resilience against traditional market downturns, enabling it to potentially offer high returns even in challenging economic climates. Moreover, by being part of the Wojak community, you're at the forefront of a new digital revolution. You're not just investing in a cryptocurrency, you're investing in a vision of a more decentralized and equitable future. But remember, it's essential to do your own research and understand what you're investing in. Don't just follow the hype, make informed decisions. While the crypto market is volatile and unpredictable, the potential of Wojak cannot be ignored. So is Wojak the next big thing in crypto? Only time will tell. We've delved deep into the world of cryptocurrencies and explored the potential of Wojak. From its unique concept, robust technology to its dedicated community, Wojak certainly has the ingredients to make a significant impact. But remember, as with all investments, the crypto market has its risks and rewards. It's essential to do your own research, stay informed, and make decisions based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Crypto is a rapidly evolving field, and being well informed is key to navigating it successfully. In conclusion, Wojak is a promising project worth keeping an eye on. But whether it will indeed multiply by 100 or not is something we'll have to wait and watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on Wojak. Your engagement helps us create more content like this. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed.